Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video we're going to do a quick speed test comparison of two smartphones from Poco, the Poco X3 Pro with the iconic Poco F1. So Poco F1 made a debut back in 2018 and one of the most popular smartphones out there with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 chipset, and it was price starting around 20,000 and one of the cheapest smartphone yet most powerful smartphone with the Qualcomm 800 series chipset. Now we have the Poco X3 Pro, again one of the first smartphones with the 800 series chipset below the 20,000 price segment in India. It comes with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 860 chipset, and both the devices have 6GB RAM and MIUI 12. So let's go to the about phone. So about phone, so you can see here both the devices have MIUI 12, 12.0.4, 12.0.3. We have Android 10 on the Poco F1, while Poco X3 Pro comes with Android 11. So that's the major difference. Now both the devices have 8GB RAM, so that's the variant. So we'll be doing a quick speed test comparison. Now this is more or less like a fun speed test. It's not a completely accurate one because Poco F1 is a almost more than 2-year-old device. So over a period of time, updates have definitely slowed down the Poco F1. Again, the processor is almost 2 years old. This is the latest processor, so there will be obviously difference. But how different they are, that's what we are going to talk about in this video. So we have these 16 apps lined up, and let's see the background apps. So everything is cleared off. So there you go. You can see that every other app from the background is cleared off. Now let's see the network connections. You can see here both the devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi network and both are in airplane mode as well. So there you go. You can see that now we have set both the devices to the same network conditions. So let's start the speed test. So we have the 16 apps lined up, and we'll see the memory management as well. So let's start with COD Mobile. So before that, once again clearing off all the background apps. So let's start with COD Mobile. So let's see how these devices perform in terms of opening of apps. So let's see which is able to load COD Mobile faster. So you can see here Poco X3 Pro loaded COD Mobile much faster. Next is Temple Run. So here again the Poco X3 Pro is the clear winner. Next would be Play Store. Here again Poco X3 Pro is the winner. Chrome browser, again X3 Pro is the winner. Facebook, again X3 Pro is the winner. Twitter, again X3 Pro loaded it faster. Instagram, here again X3 Pro is the faster one. So Ghana also Poco X3 Pro is the winner. Amazon, again X3 Pro, again X3 Pro. File Manager, here again you can see X3 Pro. Settings, again X3 Pro. YouTube, again X3 Pro. Gmail is again X3 Pro. Camera, again X3 Pro, and finally Maps, again X3 Pro. So in terms of opening of apps, the Poco X3 Pro with the 860 chip comprehensively beat the Poco F1 with 845 chip. So 845 is almost 2 years old chip, so obviously the 860 performed much better, and this also has Android 11 when compared to the Android 10 on the Poco F1. So let's start the memory management test. So that's what we are going to check, which app is able to retain these apps. So first Maps is available, Camera is retained, Gmail is available, YouTube is available, Settings available, File Manager available, Flipkart available, Amazon is available, Ghana, Instagram has been reloaded on the X3 Pro. Twitter has been reloaded on both the devices. Facebook, again reloaded on the X3 Pro. So X3 Pro has reloaded 3 apps now, while the Poco F1 just one. Chrome browser available on both the devices. Available. Temple Run again reloaded on both the devices. So once again here you can see X3 Pro is the faster one. Finally COD Mobile. So you can see here this has retained, while this has been Poco X3 Pro has reloaded it. So in terms of memory management, even the 2-year-old Poco F1 fared better than the Poco X3 Pro. That's quite surprising. In fact, the software optimization seems to be slightly better on the Poco F1 compared to the Poco X3 Pro. So Poco X3 Pro reloaded a lot of apps, while the F1 reloaded only 3 apps, while other apps were available in the memory. So that is a speed test comparison. So opening of apps, definitely the Poco X3 Pro was the faster one, but memory management, you can see that the X3 Pro needs a bit more fine tuning in terms of software optimization with respect to the RAM management. So that is a speed test comparison. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do hit that like button and also hit the red subscribe button for more videos. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.